Hey everyone, welcome to this Google Developer Group Hong Kong USD tutorial on Docker and Kubernetes. I am excited to show you how Docker is revolutionizing the way we build, ship, and run applications. I am Andy, a core tech team developer of GDG Hong Kong USD, and I will be your guide in this tutorial. We will be learned by doing. So in just a few minutes, we will containerize this simple Go web server step by step. Let's dive in. First, let's understand what we are working with. So here is a very simple Go web server that serves a static HTML page. It creates a file server pointing to our static folder on the port 8080. That's it. So let's run the server in the traditional way, which we type in go run main.go. And our server is run, so we can just open our browser and then see, here's our server. That's nice, but what if we want to share our website to someone else? What if they don't have the Go, the language installed in their local computer? That is where Docker comes in. So Docker let us package everything our app needs into a single container. Think of it as a lightweight, portable environment. This is a Docker file, the blueprint of our container. Let's break it down line by line. So first, we start with the base image, which is this form line says that we want to use the official Go image version 1.12.21.6 as our foundation. Then we set up our working directory inside the container with workdir, and that is where our code will live. Next, we will copy our code from our machine to container with copy ... That means copying everything from our current directory to the container working directory. And here is our magic happens, run. Run executes a command inside the container. We are building our Go applications with static linking for better portability. We will tell the Docker run on port 8080 with the expose instruction, so it opens the door for other users. Finally, CMD defines what command runs when the container starts. In our case, it is running our compiled server. And that's it. Just a few lines tells Docker exactly how to package and run our application. Isn't that elegant? And now let's build this image. To build our Docker image, we use docker build /t and then the name. So the /t flag let us give our image a name or tag, which I use as Docker Kubernetes part 1. So now the Dockers are following step by step by pulling the base image, copying our files, building our application. So each step creates a layer in our final image, and Docker caches these layers to speed up future builds. And we need to wait for a while. And here you go. Now our Docker image is built. Let's verify whether it exists. And yeah, here you go. We have Docker Kubernetes part 1, which is we created 22 seconds ago. And now we are ready to run our containerized application. Let's run our containerized container with Docker run. We will use /p to map the port 8080 from the container to our local machine with the same port. and we need to type in the name of the Docker. And our container is running. The log is the same as we run the Go file independently as well. And we can open our browser and then see the link works. We got the same app, but now it is running inside a container. You can run exactly the same way on any machine with Docker installed. So the users do not need to worry about the configuration dependencies. It will just work. While our container is running, let's explore some handy container management commands. Let's say docker ps. It shows our current running containers. We can see our container ID, the image it is based on, which is the one we named. And when it created, it created 1 minute ago, and the ports that it is running and mapped to. And then right now we can just stop the container. And we can just verify it by typing docker ps again. And then there's no existing container anymore. When you stop the container, you can restart it or you can remove it when we are done with it. So this command remove the container. And there you have it. We successfully containerized our Go web server using Docker. And now our application can run consistently across any environment with Docker installed. And this is just the beginning of our tutorial, and make sure that you follow our channel that we can keep providing tutorials regarding to Dockers and Kubernetes. And hit the like button and share it to your friends if you find the tutorial is helpful. Thanks for watching and happy containerizing.